Hi, I'm Mark Deponio, Senior Vice President of System Services at Munson Healthcare. With the COVID-19 pandemic spreading and changing rapidly, this is a very difficult time for our local communities, our state, nation, and the world. With that in mind, I'd like to address our resources during this time of tremendous uncertainty. Globally, there are drastic shortages in personal protective equipment, also known as PPE. This includes items like masks, face shields, isolation gowns, exam gloves, and booties. We're also anticipating a shortage in items like viral transport tubes, high-flow nasal cannulas, humidifier kits, overall respiratory items, and associated medications. Lastly, even common items such as bleach wipes, hand soap, hand sanitizer, and even toilet paper are in short supply. This PPE and supply shortage is not unique to Munson Healthcare. Hospitals across the globe, including here in Michigan, are facing this same severe shortage. Munson Healthcare has dramatically increased usage of certain PPE items and supplies over the past 2 to 3 weeks. As the COVID-19 infection spreads, these shortages will continue. We're using and ordering more than we can resupply, so it's essential that we take action to conserve now as we prepare for the potential of complete outages. Munson Healthcare is taking many steps to address this equipment crisis, including collaborating with other hospitals across the state, coordinating our advocacy efforts to engage our government leaders in Lansing, and providing effective education to ensure staff are prepared to serve patients with suspected or confirmed cases of COVID-19. This education also guides our employees on the appropriate use of PPE, including when it is medically necessary to use PPE. At Munson Healthcare, we follow PPE guidelines from the World Health Organization and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. All employee safety protocols are also thoroughly vetted by infection prevention experts and chief medical officers across our system. In addition to following strict guidelines around the proper use of PPE, we're asking all staff to work with our supply chain experts to fully inventory current supplies in every department and help centralize supplies where they are needed most. We are also thinking creatively. I'm amazed by the amount of community members who have asked how they can help with donations. And on behalf of Munson Healthcare, I want to say thank you. Northern Michigan is a truly special place where we take care of each other. We really need our communities to support our work. The best way you can do that is by following the precaution recommendations of the CDC, and your financial contributions can help. Infection prevention is always paramount. There are certain items we cannot accept at our hospitals. However, the Munson Healthcare Foundation has information on how people can help and what items we can accept. They have an ever-changing list of items that are needed throughout Munson Healthcare facilities, as well as in nonprofits across Northern Michigan who are directly working with those affected by COVID-19. You'll find complete donation information at munsonhealthcare.org. We are proud to serve our communities. I'm encouraged to have so many community members who want to help during this public health crisis. Again, please visit our website often for continuing updates on our supply status and ways that you can help. It is our duty to take steps to keep our community safe and to support healthcare workers as they provide the best care for patients, fellow employees, and all community members. Thank you for partnering with us on this critically important issue.